What's up? My name's Mike. What's up, Miss Jones? Hi. I'll teach y'all how to put together a skateboard. Step by step. Just gonna need deck. This is mine. As you can see, it's already been gripped. You know, signature Indian grip. Grip tape. Alright. Now what you need, deck. Trucks. These are trucks, you know, they are what hold the wheels. Wheels, 4 wheels, you know, 2 in front, 2 in the back. And you're going to need 8 of these. These are bearings. These are what go inside the wheel on both sides. And you're going to need, of course, bolts and hardware, about 8 of these. Alright, first what you do, get your deck. You know, I already got the holes poked in for the hardware. Poke the hardware through each hole. Once you got that in the front, take your truck, make sure you have it pointing the right direction, graphic pointing outward. Put that on there. Get the bolts, screw it on, and do this for both sides. Get your trusty tool, skate tool. It can be a wrench or something else, you know. Get your little screwdriver. And tighten each bolt. You alright? Now that you got your trucks on, get your bearings, slide those on each side. Then you get your wheels, and you gotta press real hard to insert the bearings inside, like this. See that? Do that for the other side too. Press real hard, as hard as you can. Snaps on. Now you got one wheel, and do this for all 4 wheels, and then put them on each side. Make sure they can spin, and then make sure the bolts on there are tight. Once you got all 4 wheels on, make sure they can spin. You don't want to go on, get on the board and stop on you. Make sure all of them can spin. And after that, you're ready to go.